Okay, right guys, this is a gear change mechanism on whatever it is. You can see something written there, SL. It's a Shimano gear change. Now what happens is that nut in the center there begins to turn round. Now I've tried bending the tabs back and I've broken another tab off. But what needs to be done when this fails to engage and change a gear properly is to tighten up that nut. But before you tighten up the knot, this spider type device on top needs to be centered over that, and you tighten it up so it's just a nice fit without too much play. And what I've had to do is get a center pop punch, got an automatic center pop punch, and just go around the thread of the nut with a few pops, and hopefully that will stop the nut on turning off on there. I don't know, we'll have to see. It's a repair. If not, I need to then find a new lever gear change. That's a 9-speed changer on that. And this is the cover that goes back on with one screw, just in there. And then when that's on nicely, you can tighten it up in the position you want.